I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja, and if this is your first time watching my channel, I cover the latest and greatest in tech, including smart home. Today, I'm working with Arbor to show off their new doorbell that just hit the market, and how it's different compared to other ones you've seen thus far. Arbor prides itself on creating the world's most advanced video doorbell. It has a super clean 1080p feed that connects directly to a hub, which also doubles as a chime. Installation only takes a few minutes and only requires a few screws. Inside the box you have the doorbell, the battery, the chime, which is also a hub, a few wedges to adjust the angle, and also a few screws with wall anchors. If you've done any sort of home maintenance work with a hammer and screwdriver, installation is pretty quick. If not, you can also use the included double-sided tape. The doorbell has some pretty cool features. Of course, you have that 1080p camera that I just mentioned. It also does night vision and a 5x digital zoom. It does two-way audio, so you can do back and forth conversation with the person, and the camera is 160 degrees with motion detection across 3 zones, which removes blind spots, and also it can limit false alarms. The doorbell has a built-in alarm system that goes up to 110 dB. So if you catch someone at your door who you want to go away, you can chime this loud and annoying sound and it makes that person leave. It's weather resistant, allowing for temperatures up to -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a rechargeable battery that can last up to a year, and when it's time to charge, it charges via your micro USB. As I said before, that Wi-Fi hub doubles as a chime, and it gives you connection up to 700 feet away. So you can put that chime in an area in your house where you are the most, so you can always hear it. For a lot of people, including myself, security is very important, not just your house, but also your data. It comes with free encrypted cloud recording. All of this for $199 with no extras or hidden fees. The in-app experience is what you'd expect. Someone is at your door, you get notified, you can speak to the person, sound that very loud alarm, take a few screenshots, or just reject the call completely. In the app, you can see your doorbell live view at a glance, online status, battery life, and also Wi-Fi status. You can go into activities to see what happened, and you can also be able to view the live action too. So for example, if there was motion a few minutes ago, you can scroll to it, just click on it, and you'll see what happens. You can also filter the activities to find exactly what you want, whether it's motion, ring, or anything like that. Under options, you can adjust the motion zones and the strength, and also the motion schedule. So you can have it only on when you're not home or only at night. Another cool feature is that you can share your doorbell, so you can have multiple users set up, so you can have your family access the doorbell, and also you have the ability to turn off and on notifications, so does that family member. This is one of the most robust and feature-packed doorbells on the market, but one of my favorite features is the affordability, and you don't have to pay for cloud storage. If you're interested in a super affordable doorbell that is robust and featured packed, then the Arbor doorbell is the one you should check out. It's on Indiegogo right now, and if you want to save a couple bucks, make sure you check it out early because you can get in on some of the early bird specials. I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.